Hey everyone, it's Karen, your traveling reporter. The CDC is now recommending we wear face masks when going out in public to help stop the spread of coronavirus. Although our company doesn't require us to wear one, we are permitted to bring our own mask to work. I decided to go online and find some easy do-it-yourself mask making tutorials, and I found this really cool hack. It only requires 3 things, and bonus, there's no sewing involved. Grab a bandana and 2 elastic hair ties. Make sure your bandana is completely open, and this is how you get started. You're going to want to fold the bandana in 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now flip the bandana over and take one of those elastic hair ties and slide it on the end. Take the other tie, put it on this end, and you're going to want to fold over one side. This part's going to go around your ear. And take the other side and fold it over and tuck the one side closely into the other. Now this part's going to go around your nose and your mouth, and you can adjust that if necessary. Okay, now I'm going to pick up my mask and put it on. Put it around my ears, fix my hair, and there you go. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there.